Right now, TikTok and YouTube Shorts are getting dominated by the baby niche. You've probably seen it. Clips of famous podcasters, viral moments, or popular YouTubers. Except they've all been transformed into babies. It sounds simple, maybe even silly, but this trend is pulling in millions of views. Take a page like Newsbaby, for example. They're taking clips from Dylan Page, using AI to turn him into a baby, and uploading it as shorts. That's it. Yet the engagement is insane, getting millions of views, likes in the tens of thousands, and comments flooding in. Based on the traffic they're getting, they're probably making over $10,000 per month just from ad revenue, affiliate links, and more. And it's not just them. Pages like Baby Sidemen are jumping on this same wave, repackaging content that's already viral, adding a baby twist, and exploding on social media. These kinds of edits are quick to make, fun to watch, and completely addictive. Baby podcast clips are hitting all the right notes. What's even crazier is how fast this trend is growing. Right now, it's just a few pages doing it. But in the next few months, expect to see baby versions of all the popular celebrities, basically anyone with a podcast or recognizable face. So if you've been waiting for a viral trend you can actually act on, this is it. The best part? You don't need expensive software. With just a few free AI tools, you can create these baby clips in less than 10 minutes. That's what I'm going to show you in this video, step by step, from choosing the right clips to applying the baby transformation and editing. If you've been looking for a fast, low-effort way to grow a page, this is the trend you want to jump on now, before it gets saturated. So make sure you watch this video all the way through. You don't want to miss any step. All right, let's dive in. The first step is to decide on the celebrity image you want to use. For this tutorial, we're going with Theo Von. Open up your browser and search for your chosen celebrity. Then head over to the Images tab. Now take your time scrolling through and find a high-quality photo where their face is clearly visible, well-lit, and preferably facing the camera. You're looking for an image that will work well with AI tools, so avoid blurry shots or ones with sunglasses or weird angles. Once you find that perfect image, go ahead and save it to your device. The next step is generating a baby version of Theo Von. To make this super simple, I've put together a Google Doc that includes ready-to-use image prompts designed specifically for generating baby versions of any celebrity using ChatGPT. You'll find the link to that Google Doc down in the video description, so be sure to check it out. It's going to save you a ton of time and make the whole process way easier. Also, if you've made it this far into the video, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps boost this video in the algorithm and gets it in front of more creators like you who are ready to hop on this trend. All right, let's keep going. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the baby image prompt I've prepared for you. Then open ChatGPT and upload the celebrity image you downloaded earlier. In our case, that's Theo Von. After the image finishes uploading, paste the prompt directly into the chat and hit enter. Now just give it a moment. ChatGPT will start processing the request. And this is where the AI works its magic. It's not just giving you a baby on the photo, it's reimagining what that person would look like if they were actually a baby sitting in that exact same scene. It retains the facial structure, hairstyle, clothing, and even the expression. Everything that makes the original image engaging stays in place, but now it has that adorable baby twist that hooks viewers and keeps them watching. As you can see, our image has been generated and it looks incredible. It's still very clearly Theo Von, just in baby form. All the original elements are preserved. The mic, the vest, the background, even the lighting. And just like that, your baby celebrity image is ready to go. Now that we've created our baby version of Theo Von, the next step is to find a viral clip of Theo Von to animate. Head over to TikTok and type Theo Von into the search bar. Once you're on his official page, start browsing through his videos. What you're looking for is a short, recent clip that's already gone viral, something with a ton of views, likes, and comments. The reason we want a popular clip is simple. It's already proven to capture attention, and by adding the baby twist, you're giving it a fresh, viral-friendly spin. Once you've found a clip that stands out, copy the video link. Then head over to Snaptic and download the video to your device. Now open CapCut and import the video. Then start cutting out where Theo Von is not speaking, so it only includes the parts where Theo Von is actually speaking. Remove any moments where he's silent or just reacting. Play through the clip carefully and make those cuts, keeping it snappy and focused. Once you're happy with the trimmed version, download the final cut to your device. But for the animation part, we don't need the video itself. We only need the audio, so let's extract it. Go to freeconvert.com, upload the video you just exported from CapCut, then hit convert, wait a few seconds, and download the audio file to your device. The next step is to turn our baby Theo Von image into a fully animated lip-synced video clip. For this, we'll be using Hedra AI. Head over to the Hedra AI website and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click on Try Now to access the animation workspace. Start by uploading the baby image we created with ChatGPT. Then upload the audio file of Theo Von's voice that we extracted earlier. Now keep in mind, Hedra's free plan only allows 20 seconds of audio per generation, so if you're working with a longer clip, you'll need to break it into chunks and upload them separately. You can later stitch the individual clips together using a basic video editor like CapCut to create a final product. After uploading the audio, click Add to Video. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, in the prompt box, type a clear and descriptive animation prompt like a baby boy talking on a mic, moving his head and hands. This ensures the animation has natural, believable motion that matches the energy of the original clip. Once everything's set, hit Generate. The AI will take a moment to process the input and create your video. This step may take a minute or two, so give it time to render properly. Once it's ready, preview your video. Make sure the lip sync is aligned with the audio, the gestures feel organic. If you're happy with the result, download it directly to your device. The final step is editing the video and giving it that polished, scroll-stopping finish. For this part, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and importing the animated clip you created using Hedra AI. Once it's loaded, the first thing you'll want to do is adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the standard vertical format for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. If your clip doesn't quite fill the entire frame, no worries. Just tap on the video and stretch or reposition it so it fits perfectly within the screen. You want to make sure it looks clean and professional without any black bars or awkward cropping. Next, let's add captions, which are essential for engagement, especially on platforms where people often watch without sound. Click on the text option, then choose Auto Captions. Then you'll see a variety of caption templates. Go through them and pick one that fits your style. Once you've selected a style, hit Generate and let CapCut do its thing. After the captions are created, position them where you want on the screen, typically near the bottom, but not too low. Now watch the entire video from beginning to end to make sure everything flows smoothly. If it looks good and feels polished, click on Export, then increase the video resolution up to 4K for the best quality and download the final version to your device. And there you have it, your very own animated baby celebrity short, fully edited and ready to go viral. Let's check out the final result.
Have you ever seen Roll Tide Willie? That guy, I guess he's kind of a comedian now. He played football for Alabama and then he got injured. He served for our country too. He got injured in the, or I think he got injured. He was in the military with my friend's dad. I think he played at University of Alabama, but now he's like the biggest fan. He's kind of a massive.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.